this one you're seeing here, a preservative for yogurt. This one here is also a preservative. This one here is also a preservative for yogurt. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to talk about how to preserve yogurt. Yes, that's what we're talking about in this video, how to preserve your yogurts. If this is the first time coming across my face, hi, my name is Wealth. You're welcome to my channel. On this channel I teach people how to make drinks, how to start up small businesses, and how to make some other Nigerian dishes. Okay, but my focus mainly, if you go through my channel, my focus mainly is on how to make these drinks, how to start small businesses and all that. Now in this very video I'm going to talk about how you can preserve your yogurt. I announced a class last week that there's going to be a yogurt pro class, and that class will be coming up on the 24th of this month. Now I want to talk more on this particular class. Just in case you haven't enrolled, I've had some persons enroll already. People are paying in to be part of the training. If you want to join, you can still join. The number is on the screen. Now I want to talk about some of the things that you need to know about this class and why you should be part of this class, because I'm not going to bring everything on here for you. I will not bring everything on here. I can come here and teach you how to make yogurt, right? Just like I have other videos on how to make yogurt and things like that. But when you join this class, you are going to learn more. You will learn more. Like I said, it is a pro class. You are going to learn more. Now, yogurt preservation is something that nobody teaches you for free. I have actually come on this channel to teach people how to preserve yogurt, and yeah, a lot of persons tried it and they told me that it worked. Now that particular class I gave, that particular training I did for free on this channel, that can only preserve your yogurt for a period of time, and you still need to leave it in your refrigerator. Now I will say it again, what we are going to learn in this class are things that, like, you need to, your yogurt, you don't need to keep it in your refrigerator for as long as 2 months. So even if you want to supply your yogurt, you're going to supply it with peace of mind, because you know that this thing will not spoil. And if you've been making this thing for personal use, you've been doing it just for your family, and you want to advance, you want to do it for business. If you're doing it for your family, maybe you can do something that you guys can just use for few days or 1 week and you finish it. But if you're doing it for business, guys, you don't even know how long it's going to take this person to sell. Now, to be on the safer side and to avoid wasting money, you want to apply this preservative in this yogurt so that this person can sell for as long as 2 months and still have it fresh even outside the refrigerator. Now, something else I need to say about this. I've had a lot of people come to my DM to ask me questions, which I'm going to address in this video. One thing I want to say is these preservatives are food grade preservative. Food grade. Most of the things you buy in the market, they contain these preservatives. We have food grade preservatives and we have cosmetic grade preservatives. Okay, now if you use cosmetic grade preservative in anything edible, you are trying to harm the body. But when you use food grade preservative in something edible, then you are on the right path. Now when you're buying these things, you want to ensure that you're buying food grade, because it is for something you're going to eat. The biscuits you buy in the market, those cookies you buy, they contain preservative. The fruit juices you buy in the market, they contain preservative. The yogurts you buy in the market, they contain preservative. To mention but a few, like most of the things you see out there, the tomato pastes you buy in the market contains preservative. Most of the things you see packaged out there that you go and buy and you freely consume, they all contain preservative. So these preservatives are not harmful to the body. Now the reason why you need to enroll for a class enroll for a training and learn how to use them is you don't just buy them and then you apply them just like that. You need to know the quantity to use. There is usage rates for all of these things. You can't just buy and then you pack with your spoon and then you just add like that. Besides, we don't even use spoon to measure it. I'm going to teach you how to measure this thing. I'm going to teach you the usage rates, how you are going to use it in order to use it correctly and have it work in the products that you're applying it to. Okay, I have some of the preservatives which I'm going to show you before the end of this video, but let me address something. Someone hit me up on WhatsApp concerning this class, and then the person was like, I want to video call you to be sure that it is you before I can pay you for the training. Guys, I understand the fact that a lot of persons can, like, there are scammers everywhere and people no longer trust people, but then like this particular video that I'm making right now, right? I am going to put my number up on the screen. That's number one. Secondly, I'm going to put the same number and a link to reach me on WhatsApp in the description box. You can reach me through there. Thirdly, I'm going to put my email on the screen and also in the description box. And I'm here to tell you that yes, the WhatsApp you chat, the one with that number, this particular number you're seeing up here, is me. It's my own WhatsApp. Nobody is controlling it. So you don't need to video call me. You can call me on normal call. I'm going to pick your call. Secondly, the training I announced, which I dropped contact for and I gave a training date for, was for yogurt preservation and how to make yogurt. Please and please, I've had people come to my DM with different stories, right? Please and please, this class is strictly for yogurt. This preservation we are doing right now is strictly for yogurt. If there is any other thing, it's going to be in a different class, not this very one. So if you're chatting me based on this, it is for yogurt. This particular formula that I'll be giving in this training, it is strictly for yogurt. Please get that and get it right. Thirdly, for now, this training is just 20,000 naira. That's because I'm training in group and it's going to be on the 24th of this month. It is just 20,000 naira. If you come alone and you want a private class, it's not going to be that same price. If you let this time pass and you come for this training, it is not going to be this amount. And if you already know how to make yogurt, you already know how to do other things, and you want to learn only preservative, there is no discount. As a matter of fact, let me just put it that I'm teaching how to make yogurt free of charge, because I already teach people how to make yogurt. I've taught on YouTube how to make yogurt free of charge. Now I am doing this, let's say I'm teaching people how to make yogurt free of charge. What you actually pay for is how to preserve it. So that particular one, this preservation, honestly speaking, if you go elsewhere, you pay more than this amount that I am charging you. You will pay more than that. And then one of the benefits, or some of the benefits you get by letting me train you, is that I'm a very calm and patient teacher. There is no way I'm going to train you for a particular thing and you won't understand it. There is no possible way I'm going to train you. There is no possible way I'm going to put you through something and you won't understand it. I have people who have trained, many people that have trained in my skincare classes, and they can attest to it. I'm a very patient teacher. Like, I teach very well. There is no way, even a block-headed person attends my class and learn and know how to do a particular thing. So there is no way I am going to train you and you will not learn. I train people, group of persons, individuals, and they learn, because I ensure that you know what you, and then I give room for questions and I take my time to answer your questions. Now this class is going to be, that is going to involve videos. You have videos, and I'm also going to be explaining things to you, and we're going to talk about, like, we'll do practicals and all of that. I'm also going to show you where to buy these things. Remember I said you need to buy food grade preservative, so I'm going to show you, in case you want, where to buy this preservative and how to buy different things that you can use for your yogurt. There's a reason why you don't use, like if you're actually doing yogurt business, right? We're going to talk about a lot of things in this class. Now, some of the things that I can talk about, I'm going to tell you reason why you don't need to use transparent bottles for your yogurt packaging. A lot of persons use transparent bottles to package their yogurt. I'll give you reasons why you don't need to use transparent bottles to package your yogurt if you're actually selling it when you attend this class. Now, there's a reason why we use bottles like this. You see this bottle? This bottle is not transparent. You see this bottle? It's not transparent like the other bottles that I use for my soya milk. You can check my soya milk video, my tiger nut videos and all that. You can check the bottles that I use. This bottle is ideal. This particular one, I prefer to use this for yogurt. I'm going to give you the reason why you should use something like this for your yogurt in the class that we'll be having. Also, you can see this particular one. Can you see this? This is going to be for Greek yogurt. Just in case you don't know how to make Greek yogurt, you're going to do it also in that class that we'll be doing. I'll show you guys. Now, this is not transparent. It is thick and good. If you don't know where to buy these containers, I'm also going to show you and give you contacts that you can buy these containers from for your business. It is strictly business, okay? It is strictly business. You won't even believe the profit that you will make after learning this. Invest in this kind of training. Invest to learn something good like this, because you'll be happy you did in the end. You make so much profit. Trust me when I say that. Now, we're going to talk about different preservatives and how to use them in that particular training. I have a lot of preservatives here. This one here is a preservative, yogurt preservative, food preservative. Okay, I'm still doing some research on how to preserve your soya milk and tiger nuts, right? And other drinks. I'm still doing research like how to preserve them to last for a longer period of time. When I have these preservatives here and I'm still doing my practicals. So when I say I'm working on something, believe me that I am actually working on something. Now, this here is one of the preservatives that you use. This is a food preservative. That's not for this one here. You can see this. This is also a preservative, a food preservative that we use. I don't know, let me come closer. You see how it looks? You see how it looks? Now, this is a preservative as well. We use it to preserve. I'm going to show you guys how to use it in the class that will be hosting. I'm going to tell you that this class is going to be interesting. I am not joking. Now, that's not all. We are ready for this class. Like, everything is packed, fully prepared for the class. So everything is packed, fully prepared for the class. We're going to make for different practicals. Now we have flavors as well. What kind of flavor do you use for your yogurt? What kind of flavor do you use? Do you profit? Like, do you make profit after buying those small containers of flavor? Do you make profit? And like, what kind of flavor do you use? Guys, this is milk flavor. Okay, this is milk flavor, and this particular one, I'll tell you how much I got it. And you'll see that when you buy things, like, I'm going to show you where to buy things, so you buy them in a way that even after making everything, you will benefit. You have profit from your business. All these are flavors. And then what kind of color do you use? How do you measure your color? And what kind of color do you use? Do you use powder color? How are you supposed to use it? How are you supposed to add it? How are you supposed to ensure that all your products that you make on different days, they have the same color? Not like today you're going to make something that looks like pink, and then the next day you're making something that looks like yellow, the next day you're making something that looks like red. all in the name of strawberry flavor. How do you do it? You need to have a recipe. All these are reasons why you should enroll for this class. Like, you really need to, because this knowledge is something that you need. Okay, this is also a preservative. Like, I have a number of them here, plenty of them. This is also a preservative for yogurt. This one you're seeing here is also a preservative for yogurt. This one here is also a preservative, right? This one here too. This one here is also a preservative for yogurt.